Hi friends, it's Alex and welcome to another video. So this month is October, and for a lot of people October ends up being Halloween month. So that's what I've decided, that's what we're going to do on this channel in October. So I'm going to be doing quite a few different Halloween and costumey inspired looks, which I'm really excited for because that'll be a bit different than what I usually do. So should be fun. Yeah, so Halloween in Australia, we don't really have much to do with it. I can't say I've really done too much except going to maybe a couple of Halloween dress up parties, but that's about it. But doesn't mean that I cannot dress up if I want to, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So in the start of this series, I'm starting with Wednesday Addams. So I'm gonna pop a photo or something of who I mean, and I'm going to be more focusing on the 1991 the Addams Family movie Wednesday, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'll have that somewhere here, so yeah, you guys can know sort of where I'm getting my inspo from. But yeah, I guess without further ado, let's get into it. So first I'm just going to start by priming my face. So I'm just going in with the Revolution Pore Blur Primer. Awesome. So next I'm going to go in with a pale foundation that is definitely not my shade. So I'm going in with the Rimmel London Lasting Finish. I'm going in light porcelain. So we're about to start looking very pale, which is what we want because she's quite pale. And I'm just going to blend that all out with a sponge. So as you can see, I'm starting to look very sick. But it's not quite as full coverage as I would like, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a couple more layers and get this looking how I'd like it to. And so foundation is all kind of laid down now. Looks really quite bizarre in the viewfinder, but yeah, so next I'm just going to go with some powder. Now this is just an unnamed one. It says Touch Moist. I don't know, but I know it's just paler foundation powder than what I have, because I stole it from my mother. So I'm gonna pop that on and try and see if I can set this. Brilliant, so it's all kind of set now, so I'm just going to bring you in closer so we can start doing the eyes and eyebrows. Okay, so we're in close now. So for this look, for my eyes and my eyebrows, I'm going to be dipping into the same palettes here. So I'm going to be using the Tartelette in Bloom and also the Naked one by Urban Decay. So because she's got black hair, and my hair's not black, my hair's quite dark brown, but I don't have a wig, so it's sticking to my normal hair. But so for my eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with this sort of black color here from the Tarte palette, and also the black here in the Naked palette as well, and using that to do my eyebrows. So I'll get into it. So eyebrows are on now. They're looking very dark and very strange against this pale face. So that's good. So next we're going to go on to the eyes. Now, Wednesday is a kid, basically. She's quite young, so she doesn't really have a huge amount of intricate makeup look going on, but she seems to have quite prominent eye bags, and I feel like she just looks like she hasn't slept. So we kind of want to achieve that look of no sleep, which, you know, is quite attainable considering how many of us actually get to sleep very well. Not me, but we're going to be trying to recreate that with some makeup. So first I'm going to be using this small little brush here, dipping in with the Tarte in this sort of browny purpley colour, and I'm going to start trying to recreate or try and replica some prominent eye bags. So obviously go into your eye. Now I just sort of try and feel around. It's a bit weird, but you try and almost feel around where your eyeball ends, and I just sort of follow that curve. And I mean, it's a bit messy there, but that's okay. I just kind of try and move along it to start making the shape of where I want this eye bag to be. And I smudged out a little bit just with my finger. You see, we can start seeing this shape. And then I'm going to go in with some of these more lighter browny colours and try and just sort of use them to help darken up the eye bag we got going on. As you can already see, it's starting to look quite a lot different. I just kind of want to fill it in just a little bit with that more purpley colour. Use a bit of a light one on top of that just to carve it out and not make it look like I've just popped around a bit of colour there, which is exactly what I just did. Now this is kind of the look on the bottom that I'm aiming for. Now just to show you what I'm planning to be doing on the top. Now she doesn't, as I said before, she doesn't really wear makeup, so I'm not going to be doing an intricate look. I'm just trying to try and keep it quite natural and also keep going in with the whole eye bags and sort of more deep sunken in eyes. So I'm just going to lay down a bit of a base on my eye, just a nudie browny colour. And I'm essentially going to be trying to do the same sort of a technique on that I used on the bottom on the top. So I'm going to go in with that purpley colour again, and then once again try and find sort of where the crease of my eye is, and start very softly creating a shadow. So in the end it will look like I have sort of more sunken in eyes, but I look that like more tired as well. I'm going to be using in the Naked palette this colour Buck, and I'm going to go over the top and the bottom using this one just to deepen the colours. Now I'm going to start working on that other eye, doing the exact same thing. So essentially you're going to just keep going back and forth until you achieve your desired look of tiredness. So I'm pretty happy with how this is starting to look. So I just about finished the eyes. The only thing I'm going to do is just sort of on the top here, because I'm not going to do any eyeliner or anything. I'm just going to take one of probably just this sort of darker browny purpley colour here, and just sort of stamp it along the upper eyelashes. Not doing quite eyeliner, but just sort of outlining your eyes a little bit. So now all that's left to do is just mascara. So I'm just going to go in with the Too Faced Damn Girl and quickly put that on. So all eyes are all done now, so I'm just going to go in with the tiniest, very little bit of contouring. So I'm just using the Revolution Ultra Contour palette, just doing very little bit. I don't want to make too much of a difference, just a little bit. Just to finish it off, I'm just going to do the tiniest bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose and under my eyebrows. Now I'm just sure you could put some on your cheekbones, but I'm not going to bother with that one today. So the only thing left to do now is the lips. So I'm first going to go in with Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I'm just going to try and make my lips a little bit more plump. Hopefully it works. Pop that on. So over top of the lip gloss, I'm just going to put like a little bit of lipstick on. So I'm just going in with a bit of Velvet Teddy by MAC. Just a little bit, because I just want it to look quite natural, really. And that's basically the look all done. I just might go in and just make these eye bags a little bit more prominent, and then I'll be all done. And there we go, that's basically the finished look done. Just gone in with a bit more of the Tatlin and Bloom palette, just to kind of make this a little bit more dark, because after I put the mascara on, it just didn't look, I just didn't look as sick and hungover, so had to fix that. So yeah, this is basically the Wednesday Addams look. But since this is such an easy and iconic character to do, I've managed to pop together a quick outfit as well. So I'll get into showing you that. Now, as you can see, I have just popped together this Wednesday Addams outfit just out of the things that I already own. So just used some old school shoes of mine, and they used to be brown, but I sort of polished them black just so that they kind of look more black. And then just some knee-high black socks, and just wearing a plain old black skirt here. This is just a knitted black jumper, which I've tucked in a bit odd because it's a strange shape. It's quite long, but tucked in, looks all right. And then I've just got a white creamy coloured long sleeve shirt with a collar, just to create that iconic look. And to top it all off, obviously you're going to have your hair in two little plaits. And yeah, this is basically the outfit, the whole finished look, which is just budget friendly and super easy and quick and simple to do. So it's fantastic. And yeah, if you see my outfit, this brings us to the end of the video. Now, I really hope you enjoy doing this. I really love this look because it's just so simple and so easy and super quick to pop together if you have run out of ideas or just need a quick costume really easily. Yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, write a comment down below, click subscribe while you're there and see more of my face, that'd be cool too. But I guess until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.